to a party in Brooklyn on Labor Day. We were having a good time close by the parkway. Music jamming sweet like sugar, soca and reggae beat. They didn't have no Junkanoo to get me off my seat. I pushed my hand in my pocket, grab on my cassette, walk where they playing that soca music, jam it in their tape deck. When the Junkanoo start to jam, to my surprise, you should see how this party really come alive. They were jumping in Brooklyn, they jumped to the Junkanoo. They were whining in Brooklyn, they whined to the Junkanoo. They were jumping in Brooklyn, they jumped to the Junkanoo. All day long. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now everybody was dancing all over the place. Good to see all them young girls winding up their waist. Even some of them old folks joining the fun, jumping to the sound of the Junkanoo drums. Now everybody was watching me, I didn't know why. I was only doing my thing, wasn't trying to be wild. But when I really feel the beat pounding up inside me, that's when I start jumping all over the street. I was jumping in Brooklyn, I jumped to the Junkanoo beat. I was jumping and whining, I jumped all over the street. I was jumping and whining, I jumped to the Junkanoo. All day long. So many people gather up, police start to come. Saw no crime committed, they didn't arrest no one. Music jamming sweet and loud, this Junkanoo beat. Even the policemen dancing in the street. I've been to lots of parties, I can honestly say. Danced with many pretty girls all over the states, but none could never come close the way I say. Like them girls I dance with on Labor Day. They were jumping and whining, they jumped to the Junkanoo. They were jumping in Brooklyn, they jumped to the Junkanoo. They were jumping and whining, they jumped to the Junkanoo. All day long. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jumping and whining, they jumping, they whining, they jumping and whining.